All right, we are live right now. Check out this awesome Halloween display. I love this time of year, 2024, and this setup is just freaking amazing. Look at the awesome fire in the windows up there. It looks so realistic. It's freaking awesome. Let's just kind of walk through this real quick. So there's Beetlejuice. The detail in this is just amazing. Just love this setup. Freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, it's going to be freaking awesome when it comes closer to Halloween. I bet you people are going to be all over this place. They got a fog machine going on. I love the ambiance. Let's check this out. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's laughing. Oh my gosh, look how creepy that is. Oh, they got even more fake fire up in those windows. Detail on this is awesome. Oh my gosh, this fog smells actually really good. It's like bubble gum. I don't know how they do that, but most fog does not smell good. This stuff actually does. And then they got the black light that shows up on Beetlejuice. Freaking awesome. This is freaking legit.